All right, this one's a good one. So I added, assume that this is an isosceles trapezoid. If I put a little square there, you could have figured it out, but this is going to be an isotrap. So the two shapes I have here are going to be, you could do this one a couple different ways, but I'll just keep it easy. I will have my rectangle. I'll keep it consistent. And we actually have dimensions of the rectangle already. And then we have the trapezoid. So the trapezoid's tough, but the trapezoid, you know the height, 2 root 11. You know the base 1, which is 12. To find base 2, what you need to do is Pythagorean theorem. That'll find this little guy, and that'll find this little guy. And remember, then you can find base 2. The probability symbols are going to look like this. The whole thing is going to be the area of the isotrap. And then to find the area of the shader region, you could do a couple different things. You could add the two triangles together, or you could do, I would recommend just keeping it simple, consistent with what we've been doing. It would be the trapezoid, which is the whole, minus the rectangle, which is the part. Make sure you put the numerator and the denominator in parentheses to avoid computation errors.